Hello, it's Fast Charlie. What I have here is a master number 532, and here's the key. Nothing too crazy with the key, but I think that these are pretty interesting locks. They're pretty decent for the money and the availability. They are ball bearings, so you can't shim them open, and but you cannot rekey them or gut them, not without basically destroying the lock. So I think that these offer a pretty good opportunity to step up your game from like master lock number 3s and things like that, but also just to, if you're used to picking Americans, although it's somewhat similar, it's not the same. It's just a little bit different feel and a little bit different feedback. But there are security pins in here, so I think this is a good lock to really, like I said, kind of step up if you're looking to get into security pins. This isn't a bad one to get, and they're very easily available. When you could usually just make a trip to the hardware store, pick one up. And you can definitely get cheaper things on online, but it gives pretty good false sets. I wish we could get into these. You do also have to be careful to not overset. So I'm going to go back to 1, check 2, they are a 5-pin lock, and I'm a little surprised we're not in a false set. There it is. That was number 1. Number 2. Number 3 doesn't feel quite ready. I'm gonna check number 5. Got a little counter rotation on it. Go back to 1 just to check it. 2, 3, a little deeper false set. Checking 4 here, and we're open. Sorry if I got a little bit out of frame, but that's a fun little lock. Anyway. Nice little lock to learn spools and security pins on. I assume there are spools in there. So anyway, that is the master lock number 532, and yeah, everything's working perfectly, and I am back in the basement, so I am happy. Been working on it today. Thought I'd just do a real quick video on a lock that I learned from, and I bust this out once in a while because it's a good lock to practice on, and just keep your skills improving and up to speed. So everybody, be good and be well. Thanks.